Albany, Indiana. Saw this when we were in Edwardsville and turned around to get here this train to New Albany. We were heading home and decided we'd come film this one because we love to film a train when we can catch one. So. There's the end of it. Wasn't a very long one, but it was a good one.
Yeah, it was quick.
Give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. That's what a thumbs up looks like. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have a good day. J&J Rail Fans out.